Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need a chainsaw that is ideal for small outdoor projects and yard work within 50 feet of a power source, such as trimming, pruning, and light cutting, the Makita 16-inch mid-sized electric chainsaw is the perfect choice for your cutting needs. It's engineered for faster cutting, efficient operation, and easy maintenance. Now, before you get started, a few quick safety reminders. Always wear ear protection, a hard hat or safety helmet, chaps and safety glasses or a face shield. Your Home Depot rental associate will help provide you with these necessary items. Remember, ordinary eye or sunglasses are not safety glasses. It's also recommended that you wear a dust mask, thickly padded gloves, steel-toed work boots, and any other safety equipment recommended in the instruction manual. Always operate the chainsaw according to the safety rules in the instruction manual, and always use Makita chainsaws in compliance with all local, federal, and state regulations, including OSHA regulations. Now, let's talk about kickback. Kickback may occur when the nose or tip of the guide bar touches an object, or when the wood closes in and pinches the saw chain in the cut. In some cases, contact with the tip of the bar may cause a lightning-fast reverse reaction, kicking the guide bar up and back toward the operator. Pinching the saw chain along the top of the guide bar may push the guide bar rapidly back toward the operator. Either of these reactions may cause you to lose control of the saw, which could result in serious personal injury. If the kickback is strong enough, the sudden acceleration of the guide bar combined with the inertia of the handguard will automatically activate the chain brake. Do not rely exclusively on the safety devices built into your saw. Read the instruction manual for more detail on kickback. Always unplug the chainsaw before making adjustments. To adjust the chain, loosen the sprocket guard cover by turning one complete turn. Be careful not to loosen completely or the bar may come off the track. Lift up the guide bar slightly and turn the dial to adjust the chain tension until the lower side of the chain fits in the guide bar rail. Keep holding the guide bar lightly and tighten the sprocket cover after adjusting the chain tension. The saw chain should fit snug against the lower bar. Be sure that bar and chain oil has been added to the chain. For operation, first plug your extension cord into the cord of the tool, and then plug the other end into a grounded power source. We recommend using a 10-gauge extension cord up to 50 feet in length. Place the chainsaw on firm ground. Hold the tool securely with your right hand on the rear handle and your left hand on the front handle. To start the tool, depress the lock-off button and pull the switch trigger. Release the switch trigger to stop. The chainsaw will not start if the chain brake is engaged. To release the chain brake, pull the handguard toward you until you feel it catch. To re-engage the chain brake, simply push the handguard toward the tip of the saw with your left hand. Always start a cut with the chain running at full speed and the spike bar in contact with the wood, and cut with the lower edge of the bar. Hold the chainsaw with both hands. Position the chainsaw in such a way that your body is clear of the cutting attachment whenever the engine is running. In order to keep control of your saw, always maintain a firm foothold. Never work on a ladder in a tree or any other insecure support. Never use the saw above shoulder height. The chainsaw is intended solely for cutting wood. Do not use it to cut plastic, porous concrete, or to trim hedges. It must not be used for forestry work. When making several cuts, switch the chainsaw off between cuts. Do not cut with the tip of the bar, as this presents a risk of kickback. After your project is complete, clean the unit of debris. Use low-pressure air or a brush to clean it. Remember, the chain is sharp, so use gloves when cleaning debris. When you're ready to return the saw to the rental center, be sure the tool is properly secured in your vehicle to prevent injury or damage during transit. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.